Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect the Quest Pro controllers to Quest 3 in 2026. So to begin with, the Meta Quest Pro controllers are fully compatible with the Meta Quest 3, but they need to be paired manually through the headset settings. So first of all, you need to make sure that your Quest Pro controllers are charged. Then you just have to press and hold the Meta button on the controller until they are powered on. Now you need to put your Meta Quest 3 headset, then go to the settings and you need to go to the option of devices. Now inside the devices, simply look for the option of controllers. So when you select the option of controllers, you are going to see the option to manage and pair the new controllers. So you need to simply select the pair new controller option. After that, simply choose the left or the right controller depending on which one you are connecting. You can press and hold the menu button plus the Meta button together on the controller for a few seconds, and the controller LED will start blinking. When it starts blinking, it indicates that it is in the pairing mode. So once detected, the controller will connect to Meta Quest 3. After pairing, the system may automatically install the firmware updates for the controllers, which is normal and required for the proper tracking. So finally, you can check that both the controllers are tracking correctly inside VR. If needed, you can follow further on-screen instructions to recalibrate them. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.